Today we're going to be looking at these, the One More Comfobuds Pro. Ever since Apple released the AirPods a few years ago, they've been an unbelievable success, bringing in a whopping 23 billion of revenue for Apple last year. Admittedly, last year was a bit different to normal, but it's still a heck of a lot of revenue. In the tech industry, when there's a huge pie to be eaten like that, there is competition. Most of the competition comes from manufacturers such as Samsung, who are already big players in this industry. However, I've been offered the opportunity, as in sent some for free, for me to review these One More Comfobuds Pro. Let's unbox them and take a look. Here they are in all their glory, the One More Comfobuds Pro. Let's get them unwrapped. Something really satisfying about taking cellophane off a brand new product. Wow. So we've got a really shiny logo here on the box. Got an image of the product there. Got a thing to hang them up on if they were to be sold in an actual shop. On the front it says, One More Comfobuds Pro, true wireless in-ear headphones. Multiple noise cancellation modes, strong, mild WNR, 3-mic AI-powered environmental noise cancellation, 13.4 ultra-linear driver with extended bass, 15-minute fast charge enables 2 hours playtime. Fantastic. Let's have a look around the other sides of the case. So we get up to 28 hours from one charge on the case. That's not 28 hours playback just on the headphones, by the way. Pass-through mode for ambient sounds. Auto pause and play, very handy. So that's where you take a headphone out and the playback stops or pauses. And CES Innovation Awards 2021, get in. Quiet Max Bluetooth. On the back, bit more technical information. I'm not going to go into that. It's more around the size of the product. Just open the package. Comes in a lovely magnetic box, very nice. And we've got some illustrations here just around what the product does. Beautiful. Very premium so far. So it just says, for easy remove, press the end of the stem to get the earbud out of the charging slot. And please peel away the protective film before using. So we'll just pull this up and then we get even more stuff. I'll just put the product to the side. Let's get a One More sticker there. This is clearly a brand that want to be known and not forgotten. We have a QR code there. Those of you who want to can now scan that from your screen and visit whatever this website is. It's actually for registering the warranty, so you needn't bother. And we've got, wow, super thick manual there. Won't read all of that, but I will just point out that it does encourage you to download the app, which we're going to do in a moment. Just put that packaging to one side and have a look at the actual product. So here it is. Just pull that out. Oh, lovely stuff. And it looks as though we could open this box even further for some more goodies underneath. So we've got a nice bag with a logo on there for storage. Lovely. And I'm guessing, yeah, charging cable there. So a bit of a sneak preview, USB-C, nice to see. And one more little bag in there. And that's a different sized buds because we don't all have the same sized ears. Slide that off the side. And here we go. So this is the charging case. Not much to it really. We've got the USB-C port on the back to charge. If we open it up, there we go. Not a bad size for keeping in your pocket, potentially in the free bag that you get with them. And when we do open them up, if you just touch, it does enable you to get the buds out really easily just by touching the edge. Inside we have got a button, I'm assuming that's a reset button there, and we've got the L and the R in there so we know which one to put where. There's also the charger. Obviously if you've used Bluetooth headphones like this before, you will know that that is the case. So just slide this extra bit of protection off. So all that was doing is preventing it from charging while it's in transit. Once you've got the headphones set up, you can download an app from the App Store. I'll just quickly talk you through it. So you've got different listening modes there, and each of these is a different level of noise reduction. Up to WNR, and you can see there's a wind symbol up there, and that's just basically wind reduction. Sadly not for humans, but yeah, it does the job. You've got smart playback, which is where you can change it so that when you put the headphones down, or take them out of your ear rather, you can have it to just auto pause or auto pause and play, so when you put it back in, it'll play again. And you've got custom settings, so you can choose what each of the functions do. So you can change the function of touch and hold, double tap and tap 3 times. And then there's a quick guide, which you don't really need to see. It just tells you a couple of bits of how to use the headphones. And then you've got soothing sounds, which is just a few sounds that will or may help you get to sleep if you so wish. With the headphones in, you don't look like too much of an idiot. They're quite neat and not too bulky, which is nice. I have played about with the different levels of noise reduction, and I'm now right next to this big fan, and I can hear it a little bit, but it's not too bad. I imagine you can hear it quite a lot on this video. I'll be honest with you, I don't have any AirPods to compare these to. However, I've been using these for a week now, and I am really impressed. The battery life is fantastic, the sound quality is great. I do listen to a lot of dance music or electronic music or EDM, whatever you want to call it. Well, actually I listen to happy hardcore, but anyway. The emphasis on the bass from these really does make my music come alive. I've used these in Teams meetings with work, and they are fantastic. The Bluetooth 5.0 just operates really well. There's never any dropouts. The microphones pick up my voice perfectly well. And the noise reduction also really helps with getting rid of any background noise. One quite major drawback in my opinion is the price of these. They are quite expensive for a brand that's not particularly well known. And I can understand why a lot of people may want to avoid this and go for something from Samsung or Apple. However, if you want very much a premium pair of headphones but don't want to pay the absolute maximum price for some very premium Pro headphones, then this is probably a bit of a good compromise. I'm very much going to use these as my daily driver. They are way better than anything else that I've ever had when it comes to Bluetooth headphones. So that's it for my review and this video. Thank you ever so much for watching, and if you do have any questions that you want me to answer, feel free to hit me up in the comments and I will do as best I can to respond to you. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time.